Hi guys. I know you guys say I did a lot today. Yes, I threw myself in today. I had already had planned to do some of that stuff anyway, but I just went gung ho in it today because I went to the doctor and let me go back. Okay, I've been having problems with my shoulder for a long time, and because I have my rotary, whatever you call it, it was already torn, but it's been torn for quite a while. But I'm such a high risk for any type of surgery, and because I have falls that they said if I took a fall that I could permanently injure my shoulder and it'll be unrepairable. And so the shoulder has been jacked up, and it's pain every day. It doesn't go away. I don't sleep at night, so I may not fall asleep. Even though I'm heavily medicated at night sometimes, I just don't sleep. And it's because I'm not sleeping, it's keeping my blood sugars elevated, which is causing a problem. I have to sleep elevated because of my GI issue, because sometimes I aspirate, and which sets off my asthma. And if it goes too much of it goes down my windpipe, then I have to go on antibiotics, and then I end up being on my nebulizer. So it's just a bunch of foolishness that goes on with me. And so what happened was that if you press on the elbow, it sends a like if I put my elbow like this, as long as the elbow is not resting on anything, it's okay. But if I put the elbow to rest on something, it sends a shock. It feels like a painful electric shock type sensation from the elbow that runs up to my arm into my neck. And I have a 14-inch titanium rod with screws in my neck. So they found that the nerves are badly damaged. There's some cartilage here, and so I can't have any pain meds. I can't have any, there's no pain meds. I can't have any pain meds because I'm on the maximum high dose of gabapentin for my neuropathy. And I'm on naltrexone for my chronic pain from fibromyalgia and MS. So, and because I have a history of TIAs, mini strokes, and my medical history, I have a lot of stuff. People look at me and say, "Oh, you look good." Yeah, I do. My insides fight each other. So, but like I say, you kick one rock out the road at a time, and you continue on the journey. And because God got this. Always have, always will. And so anyway, I cannot avoid surgery. And the thing about surgery, it's going to put me in my wheelchair. And I have to use my electric wheelchair when I have to go places that would cause me to walk along a pretty good piece. And I'm not going to, I hate that wheelchair. But it's going to put me in that wheelchair. And it's going to take me away from the thing that I love the most, my hobby that I love the most, and that's cooking. And I'm not ready to give that up. I'm not ready to take a break from cooking. And I have more than one orthopedic. I have an orthopedic for my hips, my spine, my knee, and my shoulder, okay? So don't judge me. So I'm not ready to walk away from that. Even though I'm hurting. And there's nothing else they can do for me. The only option I have is surgery. Because in the morning, let me tell you my routine. In the morning, my routine is before I can even get moving, I have to go to the shower and stay in the shower. Because the moist heat gives me about an hour and a half of relief from the moment I'm done. So that's why a lot of my videos have to be done in the morning. Have to be done in the morning. And YouTube gives me life. My followers, my uploads, YouTube, this channel gives me life. Cooking gives me life. My party gives me life. Yes, my party. It takes me a year to plan my parties because I'm so into it. I'm so into my event. It's what I'm doing now. I'm making doing roses. I want my napkins to look like roses. And this is my first time using satin because I have the light blue ones and the linen. And so me and this satin not getting along right now. Okay. I'm about to cut them up and turn them into confetti and, you know, throw them out there in that Herb Curry. So anyway, so that's where we are today. Then my thyroid nodules. God, it's my thyroid. It's always something. One of my thyroid nodules has gotten a lot bigger from my last ultrasound. So I had to have another biopsy of that, you know, to see if it needs to be, they need to go ahead and remove them, because they've been able to just leave them be, and I've been doing really good. They haven't been causing me any problems, but because I do have dysphagia, that's with my throat. I have throat issues where, you know, that's why I take medication to keep my esophagus open. And so that's why you guys always see me with a cup. I drink a lot because it helps my throat muscles and keeps my throat muscles so they don't forget to remain open. But that nodule may also be aggravating my esophagus issue, making my throat close more. I can't win for losing, it seems like this. So, but you know what? On January 7th, I am heading to Florida, and I will be there for a couple of weeks with my son. And no surgery gonna mess up my trip. No. And the recovery is the problem. I would get a bone stimulator because when I had my spine done, they didn't tell me I was going to be like a quadriplegic either. Very humbling experience. You know everything that's going on around you. Your brain works, but you can't move anything. You're like a newborn. I was like a newborn baby. But I have a bone stimulator, and that bone stimulator, you know, you got autoimmune diseases, and I have 3. It helps the bones, and so they will have to clean out all of this. So I meet with the surgeon. I think the 2nd of November. I meet with the surgeon, and we'll talk about some things. Hey, you know, they like to rush you into surgery. You can mess up my trip to Florida, because the reason why I'm going there, because winter is hard on my lungs here because it gets cold, and in Florida it's nice and warm there, and I won't need my nebulizer that much. So that's where we are. So that's why because I had such a terrible, terrible, terrible morning, and then I had bad news from my endocrinologist. Then I got this bad news. So I said, you know what? I need to decompress. So I threw myself into cooking. And that's what I do. People say, sit down and rest. Leave me alone. I decompress by being in my kitchen. Now to show you all when I finish, have to show you my coffee station when my serves come in, because I have had to order, because during the summer, I like caramel and vanilla. Those are mainly the coffees that I drink. But during my fall and winter, I want every flavored coffee there is that I love. I don't like coffee that tastes like coffee. I don't want that. I want my coffee. My coffee has to taste like doggone near cookies and ice cream. That's why I have all those flavored K-Cups and syrups. Yes, I'm drinking a Coke Zero, because I'm going upstairs after I finish this, and I'm going to look at YouTube, because I got to get all my spoilers in from Power Force, because I love the Power, everything about Power. I know you would think that, why would I like to look at that Valance? I love anything crime related. I know you would think that coming from the parole board, no, yeah, I would not want to watch that, but I love my crime shows. So, guys, I'm going to get off here, because I'm going to go. I'm going to play with this. Let's see how this works, because I did my other roses. So, because me and this satin crap, we are not getting along. And so I'm going to try this rose here. Me and my satin napkin's not working out. And so I'm going to mess with you. You're not allowed to hear my daughter laugh. She will be 21 next month. And the highlight of her 21st birthday, she wants a cocktail. So I hope she gets this cocktail. Well, of course she won't be driving. She gets this cocktail, and it will be out of her system about a doggone cocktail and a mimosa, okay? Let her have this cocktail. Oh, my goodness. A cocktail and a mimosa, okay? Be glad when she get it and get it out of her system. Because, honey, she is about to have a fit about a cocktail. I'll be 21. I'm like, oh, my goodness. Yes, I was there. I know. I was there. I was there before you. So we're going to wrap this one up. And see, gonna do my tuck. I like pretty napkins on the table. I always have. I mean, for my parties. I don't set up my dining room table like that. I ain't gonna tell that lie. Okay. I just need to see how I'm going. Now, got my ears up. Just need around to flip the petals out. Now, let's see how this works. See it. Okay, guys. Let's see. All right, cute. What you guys think? Can you see? There it is. What you think? How does that look? That's good. Yep, that'll do. That'll do. See, I have the linen, the blue ones, or the light, or the blue ones, and these are satin. These are a little harder to roll. These I can roll these up in no time. But this is my first time fooling with these satin napkins. I just wanted them because they were the royal blue. But they're a lot harder for me to work with. But I'm gonna go ahead and roll them, use them, but use all my cloth napkins, the linen, and they're here. I don't know if I may just go out there and just grab my royal blue linen ones. I'm not sure, but here they are. That's pretty. Okay, so I will see you guys later. I'll talk to you later. Hugs and kisses. Good night. Bye.